Alright, quick rip today. Doing a cello of Rookies and Stars. So let's see what we get. We got a green TJ Hawkinson. Trevor Morrig. We're going to save the other ones. Travis Etienne. Amon-Ra St. Brown. Najee Harris. Ian Book. Then more. Base. Alright. Trevor Morrig. Green. And we have a Mac Jones Crusade. Beautiful. And then a Justin Herbert. Can't be mad at that. Blake Martinez, Lamar Jackson, Dalvin Cook. Definitely think it's an underrated product here, but alright, like I said, just a quick one today. Just doing a pack of Rookies and Stars. Thanks for watching.
Everyone, real quick, please don't forget to like the video. It really helps us out a lot. And subscribe to the channel. We're going to be giving away some of these cards today. All you have to do is like, subscribe to the channel, and just comment. Just say, who you think your breakout player is from the upcoming 2022 season. And then also follow us on Instagram as well at Droid Rage Collectibles. And that's all you have to do to be entered.